Well, hey, what's up, guys? Spencer Smith here, the host of Self-Funded with Spencer. I'm here with my friend, Rob Gelb, the CEO of Valenz Health and also a sponsor. And Rob, you're a generous guy. You're a sponsor of the show, and I've never done an unboxing video. Apparently, this is what the kids do.
Listen, it's an unboxing. It is, I think it's going to be fun stuff. As I've said to you multiple times, we love being a sponsor of this. I love getting in front of the camera and getting in front of the mic with you and having interesting conversations as we always do. And I think we're going to have fun in an interesting way as you unbox.
Well, so what is interesting, and I know you guys are going to have to trust me, I have not opened this box. I have not peeked in this box. Rob knows what's inside of it. Neither Nathaniel or I do, so we're going to, I guess, react to what we see, man.
Yeah, and just make sure they understand the ceremony of this. The pomp and circumstance of this is this beautiful new studio.
Yeah.
And we wanted to make sure we adorned it with some fun stuff.
And I said, Rob, we need some swag, man.
Yeah, and I'm a big swag guy, as you know. Got the hat, got the shirt.
We got a hat over there. Got to need some mugs. But all right, so Rob, without further ado, we're going to open this thing up. All right, I'm a little nervous, man. It's like Christmas when you're like, I hope I react positively to the presents.
Don't worry about me backing away. Just
kidding. Is this box going to be in front of the camera, Nathaniel? Or
you should bend it down.
Yeah, let me bend it down. Okay, wow, there's a lot of stuff in here. Okay, cool. Sweet. Let me get this stuff out of the way. Hopefully the table isn't ugly. All right, cool. We've got a Valenz Health. All right, so should I read it?
Yeah, please.
Okay. So we're excited to once again sponsor the Self-Funded podcast and to continue our partnership in 2026. Congrats on your continued growth, the new podcast film set. We hope that Valenz Health swag fits right in as you put it on the finishing touches. Looking forward to another great year. Rob Gelb.
Yep.
Thank you, man. That's amazing. And absolutely, this is going to fit it. All right, so what do we got, guys?
Well, there's two of you, so there's always two of everything.
Yes, the one thing to understand is Nathaniel gets swag too. So we've got this awesome Valenz Health Nike. Well, Rob is modeling it for us right now. I was telling you about my funny head though, Rob.
I know, this one, these should work.
These should work because they're like the smaller ones.
Yeah, they're not going to hit the ear.
Got the black version so I can match anything that I wear it with. Awesome. So we got a couple more hats. Right as well, one for me, one for Nathaniel. Awesome. Got some cool shirts. We'll go there next. We're going to have to, confetti is going to be all over the place here. So Valenz Health.
There you go.
Sweet. Great
workout shirt.
Great work. It's super soft, man.
Yeah, great workout shirt. Washes well. Good endurance. A brand you wouldn't know.
Will it make my biceps look bigger?
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Okay. Well, sweet.
Look at this.
All right. So we got two of those.
Yep.
All right, where should I go next? Which one? This one. Yeah. Okay. We're going to have to cut some tape again, I think, unless I have strong hands.
You do have strong hands.
All right, let's do that.
You'll get this. This is fun to tear up. It's Christmas morning.
Oh, man, this is going to be cool. What is this?
I'm glad that you pulled the shirt out first for every,body and you
talked look at that. Oh, my God.
Talked about your biceps.
Do they look a little bit big in this shirt? I think they do. All right, let me get this out of the wrapper without busting it. All right, that's me.
Yeah,
yeah, that's
you.
Amazing, man. This is wow. I'm popping these things. I've got a couple of these, Rob, and this is the best one.
Is it?
Yeah,
that's great.
Because it's always funny when somebody does a lightness of you.
Shout out to marketing.
Yeah, shout out. And I've got my Valenz Health shirt on in there as well, and even the watch.
Yeah,
that's a great touch, man.
Attention to detail, baby.
That's amazing. And yeah, I look pretty fit too. So thank you for that.
You look sharp.
That's cool. Well, that is definitely gonna go next to Nathaniel, my other bobblehead, and my red Ford Mustang over there.
Love it.
Hey, this guy doesn't like himself a lot. He doesn't have the bobbleheads of himself in his studio.
I am not sure if that was if those were laid in there for you. Okay. I think they might have just been setups for you.
Okay, so that's more of like
no,
packaging. No, that feels there's some weight on this, man.
Yeah, there's your mugs.
Okay, here's our mugs that we were hoping to get.
Yep.
Because we got to have some Valenz mugs. All right, this one's got some harder tape on it.
Flex those muscles, man.
All right, yeah.
These are the best mugs on the planet. When you see them, you're going to
So what I'm hearing is do not drop it.
No, you could drop it.
Oh, dude, that is great.
Yetis.
Yeti coffee mug.
And then always strong.
My favorite slogan.
So as you're drinking it with your right hand, you're reminding yourself every day.
I'm strong, vigorous,
and healthy.
And so maybe real quick, Rob, just a quick summary.
Yeah.
Why strong, vigorous, and healthy with the Valenz brand? Because I know it's important to you.
Yeah, 30 seconds. In 2019, we decided it was time to rebrand. We were 4 different logos. We were a family of companies is what we were calling ourselves with the multiple businesses that come together. We did a search for a new name, 52 suggestions.
Okay.
51 of them sounded like the next great pharmaceutical drug that was going to be launched. But in all seriousness, Valenz has a Latin translation of strong, vigorous, and healthy.
Yeah.
And it immediately, for the team that was part of the selection committee for our new brand, it resonated with us because we were trying to build a strong, vigorous, and healthy company, continue to build strong, vigorous, and healthy lives, strong, vigorous, and healthy relationships, and impact an industry that requires everyone to be strong.
I love it, man. I told you, I loved it. The moment I heard it, I love that. And since Rob is one of the most generous people I know, I have a bonus bag, which you said is a Land's End.
Yeah, Land's End, yeah.
Right, which I know Land's End from
personally
when I was a kid.
selected by Karen. Look at that.
This has the touch of Karen. There's no doubt about that.
Everything about it.
All right.
Everything.
So let's dig into the bag, man.
And it's a zipper one for those, it's nice if you get to go to the beach, you get on a plane.
Yeah, it does look like a beach bag. Oh, cool, man. All right. So what's the first thing we got? I'll move the bag a little bit.
You got a couple of new hats in there. So pull out. There's one more in there. This is that's our only.
And Nathaniel got one of these too, right?
Yes.
So like that's why we're only getting.
So we've
one
always
of
done
each.
single color. We have multicolor panel now. So the white and blue over there is the first we've ever done.
That's the first one.
Like first issue of a double panel hat, and everybody loves it.
That's amazing.
Everybody loves it. And by the way, show the audience the back.
The back.
Every crown of a Valenz hat reminds you that you're strong, vigorous, and healthy.
Oh,
so as you're leaving,
I didn't even see that.
Yeah, every crown.
Strong, vigorous, and healthy.
Every crown.
I'm so happy that you include the healthy word in this. We talk about healthcare so much.
Yeah.
We avoid actually being healthy human beings in that discussion as well.
Absolutely.
Got to have the standard black
Yes.
Valenz polo.
Yep.
You could dress it up, dress it down. Right on. Thank you,
Right
sir.
on, brother.
And then the pullovers, which
quarter
I'm
zip.
Oh, this is a quarter zip. Yeah. So we got that. Do we have something on the sleeve?
Yeah. So these are more modest. This has it on the sleeve.
Oh, on the sleeve. There it is. So there's the Valenz. I will be wearing that out a lot.
Yep. They're great. Super comfy.
And so we've got, last thing, I'll go ahead and get the bag out of the way, but that may be the star of the show right there, the bag.
Bag's
itself.
great. Yep.
All right, cool.
And then so that you can be color conscious.
Well, you know how much I love blue.
I do.
Obviously.
So I had to get you some blue.
All right. So we got the blue version of that as well.
Yep. Also on the sleeve and a white
Also
logo.
on the sleeve. Very cool. And then last but not least, blue polo, which may be the thing that I actually do wear the most.
Yeah.
Right on.
They're great.
Love it, man. Nice. This one's nice weight on this as well.
Yeah, the Nikes are great. This is a little bit of a different Nike version. We didn't get that one in this last batch.
All right, so let's do one more thing, Rob.
Yes.
And I don't know if this will be. Is this okay to read on camera?
Absolutely.
I haven't opened this. Rob is very good at providing handwritten notes and thoughts from himself about what he wants you to remember. So I know I'm talking to third person right now. It's funny. But I've got a card from Rob I'm going to read on air. I don't know what it says. And it is handwritten, so I didn't put you on the spot and you're like, I typed it. All right, so Spencer, this is where I'm going to get correct. I'm blessed, humbled, and appreciative to call you a colleague, partner, and most of all, a friend. The work you do is so important, and I'm always honored to have a seat at the table, to be a voice in the conversation. Appreciate you, RG. That's amazing, man. Most people don't take the time to say what they mean. What is it like? Most people only tell you what you did after you're dead, right? And you've always been just really gracious, really grateful. You've been a mentor, a friend, all the things you just described. The fact that you take the time to do that, man, in your position is something that I don't even know where you find the time sometimes, but you always do. So
I appreciate that.
Thank you, Rob. I appreciate your support.
And I appreciate you. You're behind the camera, but people need to know what.
Well, Nathaniel got a handwritten note as well.
He did.
So Rob doubled down on everything here, and so even though we didn't cover it and we just unboxed for myself, Rob always makes sure Nathaniel's taken care of, and I appreciate
that card was designed by Karen.
Karen.
That's her artwork.
It's probably easier to say, what did Karen not do, right?
Yeah. Well, she didn't fly me down today.
She didn't fly you down on the airplane.
Right.
But, well, thanks again, guys. Appreciate you guys tuning in. This was fun. We've never done this before, and we thought it'd be a fun thing to do with Rob while he's here. And thank you, of course, to Valenz to help us support the show and make this obviously possible.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.